In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to use Roblox Manage Game controls. Let's get started. First, this feature is designed for parents and allows you to control what types of games your child can access on Roblox by setting maturity limits. So make sure you have linked your account to the child's account. In case your account is not connected, you'll need to do that first. Then launch your Roblox app or navigate to the official website of Roblox. Go to settings. Here you're going to find this section of parental controls. Click on that. This is where all the safety and content management tools are located. Next, you will see a section called Settings to Manage. Select your child's account from the list so you can customize their experience individually. After selecting the account, scroll down until you find Content Restrictions. Now click on Content Maturity and you'll see a slider that allows you to choose the maximum maturity level for games. Simply adjust the slider to the level you are comfortable with. Once set, Roblox will automatically filter the entire game catalog for your child. This means your child will only be able to see and access games that match or fall below the maturity rating you selected, giving you full control over their gameplay experiences. And that's it. That's how you can use Roblox Manage Game Controls. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.